Meet Jake. Jake works hard every day, but no matter what he does, he's always broke at the end of the month. Jake wakes up, goes to work, gets paid, and somehow, poof, his money disappears before the month is over. At first, he thought it was his salary. But then, he met Ryan. Ryan earns the same but always has extra money. Jake realized, it wasn't about how much he made. It was about what he did with his money. What Jake didn't know was that he was following 5 dangerous habits, habits that were secretly keeping him poor. Let's start with the first one, because 90% of people do this without even realizing it. The moment Jake got a raise, he upgraded everything: bigger apartment, newer car, fancier clothes. Sound familiar? But here's the trap: every time his income increased, so did his expenses. More money, same struggles. Meanwhile, Ryan kept his expenses the same and invested the extra money. And guess what happened? Jake never tracked his expenses. He thought, I'm good with money, I don't need to write things down. Then one day, he checked his account and saw something shocking. He had spent $500 on coffee and takeout in just 1 month. Meanwhile, Ryan had a simple rule: if I don't track it, I don't buy it. Jake believed if he just saved money, he'd be rich someday. So, he put all his money in a savings account. But over time, he realized something strange: his money was losing value. Why? Ryan knew the secret: saving is just step 1. The real wealth comes from investing. After work, Jake spent hours scrolling social media, watching random videos, and playing games. One day, Ryan asked him, "How many books have you read about money?" That's when it hit him. He had time to waste, but never time to learn. And that was keeping him broke. Jake's friends always complained about how life is unfair and money is evil. So, he believed the same. Ryan, on the other hand, surrounded himself with successful people. People who challenged him to grow. 1 year later, Jake was still struggling. Ryan? He had doubled his income. What changed? The only difference? Habits. Wealth isn't luck, it's the result of daily choices. Now, you have 2 choices. Keep doing what you're doing, or start changing your habits today. If you're ready to change your life, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more videos.